Hi, good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, May the 25th, May the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the four-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the JigsawSudoku. This will be number 8600. 8600. And before I start, I always count the print the digits well. This one has zoom this out. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, so I think it's a 0 stars or a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 0 stars, 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always one. I see only one single box, always a one. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We see here one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 2. The 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Here maybe. Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, let me do this one. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Let me draw this here then. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 5. This box can be a 3. So 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this L-shaped area. So the other 2 missing numbers in this L-shaped area are the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected in that box. Should be so 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 3. But we already have a 1 here. So can it be 1 anymore? This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 2. This box can be 5. So the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area. That's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this W area shape should be here. Then let me see, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. This box can be 3. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box is also connected with that box, so 1 or 3 is also connected with that box, so 1 or 3. Let me see. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. 1 or 3. We have a 3 now. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 or 3, we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 3 to 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Well, these two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 or a 3. We have a 3 now. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 2 or 3. We have a 2 now. So this box should be a 3 then. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Yeah. Solve it again. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solver by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow on Sunday. I will start with the 4 puzzles in additional. In the evening, the Samwise Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.